So we are back in the Rome Airbnb, and they are attempting, God knows what. A back crack, maybe. An injury, definitely. Go ahead. I believe in you.
How are you doing?
Wait, in more like, it's like, yeah, like that. And then it's like, wait, step back a little bit. And then it's like...
I think I kind of lifted.
Okay.
What are you supposed to be doing?
It's like supposed
It's
to
just
like
stretching.
elongate the spine.
She wants to stretch, like,
Because I
lift
feel
me
like
up.
that like cracks your back.
Okay.
I don't know, I've never been on this side of it. Like,
Yeah, she's always been, the smaller one. A little bit.
I don't think I have to be lifted every time. It's just like...
Oh, okay.
Stretching.
Okay.
Something cracked.
Something did?
Yeah.
I don't hear anything. I didn't hear it. Did you hear?
It might have been Ashley's elbow.
Oh, then maybe it did. If both of you heard something.
I feel like you would have felt it. Let me go on TikTok and like watch the technique. Okay.
More to come.